Hey guys, so today we have a short and easy warm-up that you can do at home before any online classes. So now let's get to it and let's start by just jumping, very small jumps. And the idea here is for you to really feel landing on your toes, metatarso heel, and really feel that. Don't just jump by jumping, but because you're going to land on your toes, metatarso, and then slowly on the heel. So control that landing. We're gonna keep that. We're gonna keep this a little bit longer. Just breathe in and out. Now you can start just moving your upper body as well. Open your arms. Keep breathing in and out. Now let's start jumps. Nice. Okay, so to keep warming up our toes, we are going to do like half lunge position. Right leg on the back, left leg on the front, and the back leg is going to be in demi-point. And what we're going to do is just to bend back knee and up and bend and up. Make sure that you're pressing forward with your arch and that demi-point. 2 more times. One more time. And now we're going to change. Now you have right leg in front, left leg on the back. We are going to stretch and bend. And up and lower down. 3 more times. Don't forget to breathe. And one last time. Awesome, so now just make sure to press arch forward. You can add a demi-plie to make sure that your toes, arches, wow, are really warm. Now next we are going to open arms. You're going to bend your right leg back. You're going to hold your toes. Your right hip is going to push forward and your right knee is going to press back. So hip forward, knee back, upright position, and this is pretty good stretch for our quadriceps there, for thighs. Nice. So now release your leg. You're gonna press your knee towards the chest. Nice stretch. And open to the side. And this is pretty good for your hip flexors. So feel opening up, warming up. Lower down and we're gonna change leg. So now left leg back, hold your toes. Hip forward, knee back, and stretch there your thighs. Upright position, you can open your arm by your side to control balance, or just use it here over your hip to make sure that you're really pressing forward. Breathe in. Out and release your leg. Press your knee towards the chest. Open by your side. Awesome. Now release, and now we are going to do circle movements of hips. You can either do it alternating legs, or you can do it one leg at a time. Always remember to keep breathing in and out. Now I'm going to change to the other leg, left leg. However, if you're doing alternating, just keep doing it. You can do it on the yours, away from the supporting leg, or you can also do it on the down. Just listen to your body and see which one feels better for you, or which one stretches you and warm you up you better. Let's do a second position. Just grand plie to make sure the hips are really opening up. You can rest over your elbow or your forearm. You can have a slow twist. So look to your right side, shoulder, left shoulder goes forward, and a slight twist on your back. Recover to the center, change to the other side. So your right shoulder goes forward, look to the left side. Nice, we go up. Second parallel position, we are going to rotate towards the right diagonal in front of us. We are going to lower torso forward, hands on your thighs, your quadriceps. Just breathe in and out. You can lower your hands down, relax your neck, and keep lowering your chest towards the front leg. Here we can bend back knee, we can flex foot up. Yep, awesome. And you may be feeling the stretch on your calves on the right leg. Recover to the center, rotate and fast, relax neck. Keep breathing, recover up, arch your back, and slowly recover neck and head up. We're going to rotate towards the left diagonal in front, and again, lower chest down. In a table position, long neck. Lower hands down and feel that stretch in your hamstring of the left leg. Breathe in and get closer to the front leg. You can bend back knee, flex your toes facing up. Recover up. Let's go back to center. Relax neck, relax your back. You can move your hips side to side. And here, we are going to hold the fingers together behind our legs. We're going to bend knee and stretch. Nice. One more time, bend your knee and stretch. Free your fingers and slowly start recovering up. Rotate shoulders to the back, small circles, so it goes forward, up, back and down. Forward, up, back and down. 2 more times. Nice, now we're gonna do it forward. So back, up, forward and down. Nice. Okay, we are going to put right hand in front, left hand lower. We are going to press towards the left side. Your right shoulder is going to be down and upright position. Nice. Keep breathing in and out. One more. And out. Your right hands go up. We're going to bend and touch your back with your fingers, and you're going to get your left hand on your right elbow and press toward the left side. Breathe in and out. And now we are going to change. Left hand in front, right hand lower down, and we're going to pull towards the right side and your left shoulder goes down. Breathe in and out. One more time. Release your hand, left hand up, bend your left arm on your back, and I'm gonna press with right hand towards the right side. Breathe in and out. One more time. In and out. Nice, perfect. So now I want you to do a very coordinated movement. I want you to rotate one arm forward, and then your other arm is going to rotate to the back. And now we are going to rotate both at the same time to different directions. How is it going? Can you do it? What about changing directions now? This is a great exercise to wake up your brain and tell it we are going to do very coordinated exercises after this. So come on, wake up, warm up, and let's get to it. Nice, awesome. Our next stretch is obviously we cannot start dancing without doing any flexibility stretching, so we are going to just do a lunge position and hold it here. Try to lay back a little bit so you really feel the stretch in that right leg. Okay, so change to side lunge position. You can open chest or lower down, it's fine. Just feel the stretch here on your left hips flexor. Change to the other side. You can either point your toes or flex, that's okay. Now rest over this leg and feel that hip flexor right there on your right leg. Opening up. Change forward, facing the right leg. And recover up. And that's it, that's our quick warm-up done. So now you're ready to begin any of your favorite variations or any point class. So let's get to it.